Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele washing machine and you're getting an F46 error code. So what does this error mean and can we get it fixed? So first of all, the error just means that the LCD screen, the connections that connect to it, there's something wrong. And you may even notice that the display is malfunctioning. The display is not working properly. You're not seeing what you're supposed to be seeing. So if you're able to, you can get in behind there and just check and make sure all the wire connections and everything like that are working correctly. I would also recommend you just do the easiest thing that you can do when you're getting these electronic issues with your machine is to do a hard restart on the machine. So turn it off, unplug it from power, or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. Leave it off for a full minute and then turn it back on. If that doesn't work, before getting all into the electronics of everything, and I would recommend just calling a technician to have him work on this, because this is the LCD screen that is not working properly. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.